Okay, managed to do it once again. In February 2025, I managed to eke out the top 300 on the folding at home, which took all my computer power to pull it off. It's so competitive. And, and I even had to use my laptop to get enough score. Get my sheets out there. Yeah. Took like 4 graphics cards and 3 computers to score. Let's see. Working on stats. Click. Follow flipper. Click. And then click on dollar and February. Okay. And go to the bottom. 100. And I go to number 3. And boom. There. Nice liquor. Took me that. I just barely made it to 300. After my power went out, I overheated because February got hot at the end. It was really slizzling in my bedroom that I managed to pull off in the last possible minutes.